If you've got an important package going to the USA or Europe, it's important that you ship with UPS. Because UPS Express delivers to every address in the USA and major cities in Europe.
Bonjour.
No one can provide you service that is more reliable. So remember, if you want to be sure that your next important package to the USA or Europe arrives on time,
Good morning.
be sure to ship it UPS.
There are some things in life you just can't get enough of, like hot stars,
Wow.
sizzling action, rib-tickling humor, and these great blockbusters on HBO.
Cinemax Wednesday Showcase. Check out some of the hottest rising stars today. Catch them in July every Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Thailand, 10 p.m. Taiwan and Philippines. They could be anyone among you. This June, Saturday Classics brings you 4 great spy classics.
Showtime.
The real stuff, not the 007 kind. The best spy movies around. Saturday evenings at 6 p.m. Thailand, 7 p.m. Taiwan and Philippines. Cinemax, if you like movies.
Such a mode of existence, so peculiar to the feudal society of Imperial China, continued for many years after the end of the Ming and Qing dynasties.